2020 era nga muno mwatambuliramu n'ensimbi ezikwatagana ku kuliyirira bannayuganda abatali bamu ku ttaka eri mu nnyaffe Uganda. Wabula mu kakiiko ak'embalirira y'eggwanga walabikawo katemba anti Beatrice Nyakaisiki Byenkya ono nga ye ssente w'akakiiko aka Uganda Land Commission yavaayo n'ategeeza ng'ensimbi zino bw'atazisabaako newankubadde nga baali bazeetaaga.
To give only 6 out of, we saw that that's irregular and not being on the human side of things. So that's why I wrote the letter hurriedly, requesting for the untagging of the money. Not that we don't need it, we need it. Because we have a lot of domestic areas, yes, we need it, but we hadn't requested for it.
Wabula Minister babiri okwali Betty Kamya ne Pasis Namuganza balemerako ne bategeeza ng'ensimbi zino ezeetaagisibwa era nti balowooleza wala olw'ensonga nti abantu abaali ab'okuziwa baali weebali era nga beetaaga kuliyirirwa nsimbi zaabwe ku ttaka eriri mu nnyaffe Uganda. Abantu abaali abakulirira ensimbi zino baali basangibwa mu bitundu by'e Bunyoro awamu n'ebitundu bya Buganda.
We shall have to engage Parliament and maybe we go for a loan and we clear this problem. People have died, like he's saying. But when he says, please, these are urgent, we cannot say no. And the president knows that the chairperson is there under the minister, and he didn't call her, he calls the minister. Even me as state minister, I cannot accuse and question, why did he tell you to do this and you do it with Minister of Finance without me?
All these people whom we called urgent because of court cases and presidential directives, they are non-commission. They have been evaluated and valued at the request of the Uganda Land Commission, and they have even been part paid. So they are not strangers.
Vanyuma olukiko lw'eggwanga olukulu lwayisa ensimbi zino wabula nga akakiiko kaasaba kuggyibweko amannya g'abantu abaali bateereddwako. Mu lutuulo olwaleero omukubiza w'olukiko lw'eggwanga olukulu ategeezza paalamenti nga ensimbi ezaali ziyisiddwa ez'okuliyira abantu ku ttaka bwe zeetaagisibwa okubeera nga zikwatibwa olw'ensonga ezitali zimu.
So these are matters which we thought we should first inform the House. I've also informed the Minister of Finance that we are unable to process the entire supplementary and that I'll be asking him to move a motion to temporarily hold that part of the supplementary, and that I'll be establishing an ad hoc committee to investigate those allegations so that we can come to the bottom of it.
Onategeezezza nga bwafunye okwemulugunya okw'enjawulo eri abantu abatali bamu abagamba nti newankubadde nga minisitule yavaayo n'eraga nga bwe bagenda obbaliyirira omulundi ogwokubiri wabula baali tebafunanga ku nsimbi zonna.
One that in respect to one of the requests for compensation, the land had been inflated by 254 hectares. Secondly, that although the presentation indicated that one of the beneficiaries was receiving a second payment, in fact, she had never received even the first payment. Therefore, the chances were that the second payment was also not going to reach her. The third one also related to inflating the quantum.
Ababaka abatali bamu baaniriza okusala okukoleddwa omukubiza w'olukiko lw'eggwanga olukulu.
Stop. We want to thank you, Right Honourable Speaker, because otherwise 1 hour, 2 hours, by tomorrow, if we had not come here, the money would have gone. Madam Speaker, I think that ad hoc committee are proposing should dig into the matters and establish who are these people, who are the people who took the first payment, how many acres, who was inflated, because I'm being told even the one for the church, they were refused the money.
Right Honourable Speaker put it in my minority report, and the chair of the committee and a few other clerks were able to pause that I was not allowed to present the minority report. All these facts would have been brought before you.
Obufu bwebomo Minister Mbezi Aljedra Aldiri naye asomye ennongosereza mu mbali ey'ennongosereza nga mu kino mubaddemu okuggyamu ensimbi ezoogeddwa ku waggulu. Olukiko lw'eggwanga olukulu lwonna lukkiriziganyiza wamu.
And 2 to the supplementary schedule number 4 for the financial year 2021 by deleting the following allocations. 1. Vote number 12012 Ministry of Lands, Housing and Urban Development for the benefit of Messrs. Ephraim Enterprises, totaling to Uganda shillings 3,802,500,000 only as compensation for the compulsory acquisition of land by Government of Uganda for Ndeba Church of Uganda.
Ensimbi eziyisiddwa ze zaali zifulumiziddwa wabula ezikwatagana ku kuliyirira abantu zo zisigadde zikyebuuzibwako olw'ensonga ezitali zimu. Yise Kigongo kulwa Channel 44 Oleggulo.